guys, I have a haul video for you guys today. So I went to this store. I hadn't been there in a while, but I went to this store that's called Fallas Paredes, and what it is, it's kind of like a factory outlet store. So they have all kinds of things. They have all kinds of brands. Like they have some off brands, and then they also have some higher end brands. I know I saw some Kenneth Cole bags. I've gotten some BB wallets. They have stuff like Baby Phat, Jessica Simpson. They have all kinds. They have a different mix of things in the store. So I stopped by just to look around, and I came out with some stuff. So let me go over what I got. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the bigger stuff, like the bigger kitchen stuff that I got. This is a collapsible dish drainer. I currently have some, it's like a dish rack, and you just like put the dishes like lined up on there, and they're on a drying mat. And I saw this and I thought I'd give it a try. So we'll see how this works out. I believe they sell these at Walmart because it's a Mainstays brand. And the original price is $7.99, and they had them for $3.99. So there's a close-up of what that looks like. This next thing I have here is a pan and lid holder. This is it right here, and I'm gonna use this to organize my pans and my lids. Obviously, that's what it's for. And the original price is also $7.99, and they were $3.99. I can't wait to put it to use because I have a ton of pans and lids. This next item I got two of, and it's also from the Home Collections, and it's a spice rack. And what I like about these is the color. It's like a brushed oil. What's this called? Oil bronzed brushed. I don't know what the color is called. Bronzed oil brushed something. I don't know. I don't remember. But it is this was also $7.99, and it was for $3.99. And I like these. They look, I don't even know. Can you tell the color? Yeah, oil rubbed bronze, I think it's what it's called. I think so. Anyways, so this is to organize your spices. It's a spice rack, and I love these things, and I have a lot of spices, so this is gonna come in very, very handy. And the last home thing I got is, I got this more for the packaging, and it's so cute. It's a chalkboard candle. I mean, the jar is chalkboard, but it's a candle. It comes with a little chalk. I hadn't even seen that. This is so adorable. It's too cute. And then, of course, you open up the container, and it has a candle inside. And it smells so good. It smells like pumpkin spice or something like that. And, of course, after this is done, you can repurpose the jar. And it comes with a label already, the chalkboard label. And I thought this was such a great find. And the price was $3. Yeah, the price is $3. So this is perfect for the upcoming, still far away fall season. Now I'm gonna move on to the cute fun stuff, and most of this stuff is for my daughter. The other two grabbed their stuff and they ran. So this is what I was left with to show. So let me go through it. First thing, this is so adorable, and she was so excited to get these. And they're these little tiny shoes. Aren't those like cute? Those are like little foxes. I thought these were so cute, and she loved these when she saw them. It says regular price $15.99, and they were $7.99. So these are so adorable. They don't really have a name brand. They're off brand or no brand, but I just thought these are cute. I just thought these are so cute. She goes through shoes like crazy because she loves to play in them. She says these are her high heels. So she puts them on and she runs around with them all over outside in the house. So she can never have enough shoes. Next, I found this shirt, and it is so adorable. I just couldn't. Look at the back. It has this lace kind of cutout patterns, and it has this cinch in the back, and I thought this was very summer appropriate. And when I saw it, I just loved it. I'm like, I have to have it. She's gonna look so pretty in this. And from $11.99, it was $5.99. And this is not like super high quality clothes, but let me tell you something, it's really cute. And to me, what matters is that it's cute. It doesn't matter if it's $199 or $199. If it's cute, I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna love it just the same. So this is something I just couldn't pass up. Okay, this one, oh, I'm so disappointed. I thought I had gotten the two colors, and I only see one. I don't know, I might have the other one there somewhere, but it's this little elephant shirt. This is just, look at that. Like, That is too cute. Like, it's this design at the bottom is just adorable, and the elephant, it has like little sequins on it, and the colors are just beautiful. So she got so excited. She's like, oh, that's so cute. I'm like, yes, it is. So this I just had to get for her, and they had another color, and I could have sworn I brought it with me. I hope I did. You have to have Hello Kitty. You have to have Hello Kitty. If you see it at the store, you have to buy it. This I could not pass up either because I love Hello Kitty, and it's gold colored. So need I say more? This was just like a have to, a must have. And all of these are $5.99. They were like in the $5.99 section, so I just grabbed a bunch of them. She is a big fan of Minnie Mouse, so I saw Minnie Mouse shirts and I got her 2 of them. This one just look at that. Look at that. I swear if I would have found one in my size, I would have gone one for me as well, because this is just too cute. I would definitely wear that. I do have some Mickey Mouse ones though, so one day I'll put this on her, the Minnie Mouse one, and I'll wear my Mickey one so we can be matching. But this is just too cute. This here at the top, it's not actual glitter. It's a glitter type fabric or something, which I liked because it's not gonna come off in the washer or anything, or at least it won't come off right away, I don't think. But either way, I mean, this can be, I can just put something over it to make it last more. But this was really good. For $5.99, I think it's totally worth it. And here is another Minnie Mouse shirt that also has, on the little bows, it has the same kind of glittery material. And these are really, these are from Disney. So these are actually name brand stuff. This is an example of the name brand clothing that they have. This is an actual Disney shirt, Disney brand shirt. And it was also $5.99. So I like this because it has this little like, what do you call this at the end? Like, it has that elastic, is it a ruche or a cinch or whatever it is, but it has the little bows at the bottom. So I just loved it, like with some little tights and her little shoes. This is just gonna look too cute on her. And this last thing I forgot to mention is like a turby twist. It's called the twirly towel, and they have them in different colors. I love these things. These microfiber twisties for the hair, I just love them. I have several of them, and I use them after washing my hair, and they work miracles. I love them. They don't frizz up your hair. They dry up your hair really quick, so I had to get them. And this was only $1.99. So compared to $6, I've seen them, and actually it does have the $5.99 price on here. These were $1.99, so I grabbed some of these. Actually, I just grabbed one. But these are a great find. I didn't bring more just because I still have some, but if not, I would have grabbed like every single one. These are like a must have for me. And I believe that is it. I believe that's all I got. Like I said, I did. What is up with my hair? I did get more stuff, but the girls took their stuff and they just ran with it. So if you ever come across a Fallas Paredes in your area and you haven't checked it out, you might want to stop by, because they have a lot of stuff from home goods to clothing. They may have some makeup. They have purses. They just have a lot of stuff. Shoes, a lot of stuff. So if you like deals, if you like bargains, then that is a store you would want to check out. I know there's another version of it called Factory to You. They have those as well, at least here in Texas. I don't know about other places. But those factory outlets are a really good place to go find all kinds of deals. That's everything that I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this haul. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.